Hi, my name is Mackenzie. Wait, what? Hi, my name is Mackenzie and I'm 8 years old. I go to Huntington Christian and I'm in 1st grade. Some of the things I like are running, eating, and playing on the playground, and eating ice cream. I also like to play soccer. Pizza. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite dessert is ice cream and cookies. I run cross country and track and field. I'm national champion. I have a lot of medals. 9 or 10 or 11 or 12. Or 13, 14, 15. Or 16. 200. Huh? Mackenzie, you are 7 years old.